Today, we are exploring a fascinating comparison. A breakfast that costs $5 versus one that costs $50. At first glance, they may seem similar, but the reality is very different. Most people assume the higher price is because of better food, but the truth is you are often paying for experience, comfort, presentation, and lifestyle. In this video, I will guide you through each option so you can understand exactly what makes the difference and why some people are willing to spend 10 times more for what looks like the same meal. In the United States, breakfast is more than just food. For many, it's a daily routine, a quick meal before work or school. For others, it's a luxurious experience at a fine restaurant. That's why the same type of breakfast can cost $5 at a diner and $50 at a high-end cafe. Today, we will analyze both options, their purpose, value, and what you are really paying for beyond just food. The $5 breakfast is practical, simple, and widely consumed. Typically, it includes eggs, toast, a little butter, and a cup of coffee. While it may not look fancy, it serves its purpose perfectly. It provides energy, fuels your body for the morning, and fits seamlessly into a busy lifestyle. Millions of Americans start their day like this because it's fast, affordable, and reliable. The main value here is function. You are paying for food that works, not for presentation or atmosphere. This breakfast is designed for practicality. You can eat it at home, grab it on your way to work, or enjoy it quickly at a local diner. The taste is comforting and familiar, and it keeps you full until lunch. It may seem plain, but it is extremely efficient. The $5 breakfast is all about meeting your daily needs while saving both time and money. Now let's look at a $50 breakfast. The food may not be 10 times tastier than the $5 version, but the presentation, service, and environment create a completely different experience. Plates are carefully designed, ingredients are premium, and the overall environment encourages relaxation and enjoyment. Here, every detail, from the cutlery to the table setting, adds value beyond the food itself. When you choose a luxury breakfast, you're paying for more than calories. You're paying for comfort, atmosphere, and a sense of occasion. This could be a special treat, a social outing, or simply a way to indulge yourself. The experience itself justifies the higher price for many people. Even if the food is similar to what you could make or buy for $5. The psychology behind luxury breakfasts is fascinating. Cheap food focuses on function. It fills your stomach. Expensive food focuses on emotion. It fills your mind. The $5 breakfast says, I need energy. The $50 breakfast says, I deserve this. This is why many people are willing to pay significantly more. Not because it tastes 10 times better, but because it makes them feel 10 times better. It's about experience, status, and the emotional satisfaction that comes with it. Another important point is health and nutrition. Expensive breakfasts are not always healthier. A simple $5 meal often has fewer calories, less sugar, and balanced nutrients. Luxury breakfasts may include rich sauces, extra butter, or sugary drinks. Therefore, price does not automatically equal better nutrition. When choosing a breakfast, consider what your body needs, not just what your eyes enjoy or your wallet allows. So who should choose what? If your priority is efficiency, energy, and practicality, the $5 breakfast is more than enough. If your priority is relaxation, indulgence, and enjoying an experience, the $50 breakfast is worth it. Neither choice is wrong. They simply serve different lifestyles and needs. Understanding this distinction helps you appreciate both options without judgment. To sum it up, the $5 breakfast fills your stomach and keeps you going through the day. The $50 breakfast fills your mind and emotions. Neither is inherently better. It all depends on what you value more. So, tell me in the comments, would you choose practicality or experience? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Good morning. Today, I'm presenting you with 5 delectable and healthy breakfast recipes that you can effortlessly make in just a few short minutes. Let's not wait any longer and dive right in. Toast a slice of bread, mash 1 ripe avocado, and spread it gently on top. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and sprinkle some chili flakes on top. If desired, optional, top it off with a delicious boiled egg for an extra serving of protein content. Enjoy your healthy, nutritious, and delicious breakfast. Take 1 cup of Greek yogurt in a bowl. Add your favorite fresh fruits and sprinkle some almonds or walnuts. Drizzle a teaspoon of honey if you like it sweet. Cook half a cup of oats with 1 cup of milk. Top with sliced banana and a teaspoon of chia seeds. Perfect for a quick energy boost. Take a tortilla and add sautéed spinach and scrambled eggs. Roll it up and slice it, a protein and fiber-packed breakfast. Blend frozen berries, banana, and almond milk until smooth. Pour into a bowl and top with granola, coconut flakes, and fresh fruits. Refreshing and healthy. And that's 5 healthy breakfast ideas. Which one will you try first? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy your breakfast. Good morning, everyone. If you want to start your day with healthy and simple food, this video is perfect for you. Many people skip breakfast or eat unhealthy food in the morning, which causes low energy and tiredness. Today, I will show you 5 healthy breakfast recipes that are easy, tasty, and perfect for everyday life. Our first breakfast is avocado toast with egg. This is a very popular breakfast in the United States. Avocado contains healthy fats that are good for your heart and help you feel full. For this recipe, you only need whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, and 1 egg. These ingredients are simple and easy to find. Mash the avocado gently and spread it on toasted bread. You don't need any butter or extra oil here. Now add a cooked egg on top. Eggs are a great source of protein and keep you energized for hours. This breakfast is perfect if you want something quick, healthy, and filling. Our second breakfast is a Greek yogurt bowl. This is light, refreshing, and very good for digestion. You need Greek yogurt, fresh fruits like strawberries and blueberries, and a little honey. Fruits add natural sweetness and important vitamins to your breakfast. Chia seeds are optional, but they add fiber and help keep your stomach healthy. This breakfast is perfect if you don't like heavy food in the morning. The third breakfast is a healthy veggie omelet. Eggs are one of the best breakfast foods for protein. Adding vegetables gives your body vitamins, minerals, and freshness. Cook the omelet slowly on low heat to keep it soft and fluffy. This breakfast helps build muscle and keeps hunger away. It's a great option for weight control and energy. Oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfasts in the world. Banana adds natural sweetness, and peanut butter adds healthy fats. This breakfast keeps you full for a long time. It's perfect for busy mornings. A green smoothie is great when you don't have time to cook. Fruits and greens give your body vitamins and freshness. This is a quick and healthy morning drink. These were 5 healthy breakfast recipes. Let me know which one you liked and don't forget to subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share some very easy recipes that you can make at home. These recipes are perfect for beginners and do not require special cooking skills. I will explain each recipe clearly, step by step. Our first recipe is simple egg toast. This recipe is very popular because it is quick and filling. You only need bread, eggs, oil, salt, and pepper. These are basic ingredients found in most homes. Heat the pan on medium flame and add a small amount of oil. Crack the egg carefully into the pan and cook it slowly. Slow cooking helps the egg stay soft and tasty. Place the cooked egg on toasted bread. This meal gives energy and keeps you full for a long time. The second recipe is easy vegetable pasta. You can use any vegetables you like or already have at home. Boil the pasta until soft, then drain the water. Cook vegetables lightly and mix them with pasta. This recipe is simple, tasty, and perfect for lunch or dinner. Our third recipe is a quick oatmeal bowl. Oats are healthy and give long-lasting energy. Cook oats slowly with milk or water. You can add fruits or nuts to improve taste and nutrition. This breakfast is very easy to prepare at home. These were some easy recipes that you can make at home. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share some very easy recipes that you can make at home. These recipes are perfect for beginners and do not require special cooking skills. I will explain each recipe clearly, step by step. Our first recipe is simple egg toast. This recipe is very popular because it is quick and filling. You only need bread, eggs, oil, salt, and pepper. These are basic ingredients found in most homes. Heat the pan on medium flame and add a small amount of oil. Crack the egg carefully into the pan and cook it slowly. Slow cooking helps the egg stay soft and tasty. Place the cooked egg on toasted bread. This meal gives energy and keeps you full for a long time. The second recipe is easy vegetable pasta. You can use any vegetables you like or already have at home. Boil the pasta until soft, then drain the water. Cook vegetables lightly and mix them with pasta. This recipe is simple, tasty, and perfect for lunch or dinner. Our third recipe is a quick oatmeal bowl. Oats are healthy and give long-lasting energy. Cook oats slowly with milk or water. You can add fruits or nuts to improve taste and nutrition. This breakfast is very easy to prepare at home. These were some easy recipes that you can make at home. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This pizza costs just $1. Yes, only $1. Simple, cheap, ordinary. And this pizza costs $1,000. More expensive than a smartphone. More expensive than a month of groceries. Side by side, they look almost the same. Same shape, same idea. But here's the truth. One is made to satisfy your hunger, and the other is made to impress your ego. Stay till the end, because the cheaper one might surprise you. Let's talk about the $1 pizza. This pizza doesn't try to be special. It exists for one reason only: to feed people. Simple flour dough, basic tomato sauce, low-cost cheese, no luxury, no branding, no story to sell. Just food that people can afford. The crust is thin, soft. The cheese melts quickly, but it's not rich or creamy. Still, the smell feels familiar. Comforting. This pizza doesn't try to impress you. It simply does its job. And honestly, for $1, that's more than enough. Now let's jump from the cheapest pizza to one of the most expensive pizzas in the world. This pizza is not made for hunger. It is made for attention. Rare white truffles, imported cheese, caviar, even real edible gold. Every ingredient is expensive. Every detail is controlled. You are not paying for calories. You are paying for experience. You are paying for status. The flavor is rich, smooth, perfectly balanced. Yes, it tastes amazing. But here's the real question. If you close your eyes, does it really taste 1,000 times better? $1 pizza feeds your body. $1,000 pizza feeds your image. One is about hunger. The other is about showing off. Now tell me, which one would you choose? Comment below.